Addiction dependency. Psychological attachment to certain drugs is called the addiction. So earlier they are trying drug or tobacco alcohol. They are binded to the receptor giving happy feeling. Later the receptor number is increases, body becoming tolerate to the drug. That means what the drug they are taking, that amount is not sufficient to give the happy feeling. So they are taking the more amount of drug which lead to the adverse effects also increases. That is called the addiction. Dependency is a character unpleasant withdrawal symptoms like anxiety, vomiting, sweating, shaking, all these are called the dependency. If the person is taking TDA continuously, suddenly, abruptly he stopped, it caused the withdrawal symptoms. So, under medical supervision, using the medicine, slowly they de-addict themselves. So, that is the best way to overcome that dependency. Other TDA effects are the heart failure, respiratory problems, cerebral hemorrhage. So, drug combination with other drug or drug with alcohol if they are consumed. So, drug with alcohol if they are consumed, the effect of the drugs will be increases. Changing the social behavior. That means rebelly and harshly they behave. Self studies, education will be decreases, self hygienic decreases, weight is changing, hobbies are affected, isolated themselves, relations will be broken, and which lead to the depression. All these happen due to this TDA. If they are taking the drugs through the IV, AIDS and hepatitis B will be occurred. In athletics, if they taken narcotic painkillers, anabolic steroids, diuretics, other drugs, they causing the commonly causing aggressive mood swinging, depression in both male and female. But specifically, if you are taken in male, female like characters like breast enlargement, testes reduction, sperm production is decreases, prostate gland is enlarged. In male, if you considered masculization, muscle development, unwanted hair is present on her face like mustaches and beard. Irregular menstrual cycle, deepening of voice, all these happened in the female. Now come to how to prevent this. Prevention is better than cure. So first, avoid undue pressure. Parents should not pressure them. So whatever their levels, beyond that levels only they are doing. So they are doing their best. Don't pressure the children. Educating and counseling them, that means how to face the problem, failure, or any obstacles coming in the life, how to overcome is we educate the children. So not education means not only subjects and the whatever physics, chemistry, all these. We should educate the children how to overcome the tough situations like any failure problem, how to outstand them is main important. So educate the children is about these is the very important. And seeking help of parents and friends, we take the information from the friends. Looking dangerous signs. Any changes is observed in the child, we should take care of that signs, especially teachers and parents. Seeking the professional and medical help. Psychiatrist and psychologist, they give the educate them and they give the different methods of treatments to overcome these TDA. They increases the willpower by giving counseling them, and they give some medicines to how to overcome these TDA. So that's why professional psychiatric or psychologist, anyone they will be give advice to how to overcome these things. Along with that, if they take the medicine, it's well and good to overcome these TDA. So all these are comes under the prevention is better than avoiding the unused pressure, educating and counseling, seeking the help of parents, friends, looking dangerous signs, seeking the professional and medical help. All this is the prevention is better than cure.